pui mâna de 100 de ori pe mine? De ce?
Despre profesoara de imagini se spune că este extrem de exigentă. Profesorii spun că de mânia ei nu scapă nici elevii.
For concealment. Description again, black shirt, bald head.
Watch your bag. Get thrown in the hook.
File, cineva il piede un collega și cum.
Driving, you have 63 open channel.
63. 63, I'm clear on it. What's the cross there? I'm in route. Walk Hall Avenue in English.
70, he's actually out here at 1400 Workman Road. 7, you have 63 open channel. Hey, home! Home! He wants you to pull up there where I can get it all on video.
You understand what I'm saying? Run away from them. And see, I got these drugs that I want to talk to you guys about. I have a whole lot more to tell you, but I don't have a whole lot of time. I got these guns. I have a gun on my side right here. Just this week, at the beginning of the week, a young boy, not even 16 years old, was killed because he was playing with a gun. And see, this is an unloaded gun. Right here, Mr. Scott. No, empty weapon. Empty weapon. This is a Glock 40. 50 Cent, Too Short, all of them talk about Glock 40. Okay, I'm the only one in this room professional enough that I know of to carry this Glock 40. I'm the only one. Right? No more. Is everybody all right? You all right?
So you only get a little portion of the 25%. Oh, no. 25% is probably by tomorrow. But you get only a portion of it. What are you doing on the highway? This thing's not licensed on the highway. I didn't see him on the highway. You were on the highway. What are you talking about? You were on the highway. Oh, get out of here! Get out of here! He's going at us! Oh, shit! I got all that on camera. Stop! We're not gonna get arrested. What we doing? We doing that wrong? The dog is attacking us. Stay right there. В какую сторону мне идти? Ну. Короче, как вверх подниматься, Как вверх подниматься, да?
Watch this fool.
He has. Hey, stop there!
When a police officer pulled a suspect out of a car, started chasing him, and then you see this car pull up, that's a Denver officer coming in to help, ended up hitting the suspect and the officer while they were there in the middle of the street. And while it looked bad, both... Pull him back!
That's one of your boys. Oh.
Speed's relatively high. We did 4, but they're a long way back and now they're not.
Pull him back in, bro.
Please calm. Units of speed, you go to the same speed. Can the front unit give us the speed, please? Marina view, he's dumping on the corner, Tom. Where's the unit? Marina view, thanks. Marina view.
Бывай! Oh, well done. I'm so glad I got that on camera. Go on, get a push! No, it's not dead. It's just a fact.
Para averiguações na delegacia. Quando os policiais vão entrando na frente, olha o que ele faz. Abre a janela do carro, procura a maçaneta e foge.
Sad završam pa idemo.
Udahnite duboko i duvate dok ja ne kažem dosta. Ajde, ajde.
Ajde, molim, ajde, bud ruk.
Bez nema, idu pičku magoljeva.
Mogu da pi. Vidi.
Je da duve ne uvuče, veli.
Ne da vučeš, nego da ovako držiš i da duvaš.